What's up, guys? Back again. Another pack opening. This time it's from Target. It's really gonna be a quick one because I don't have many, but I found 2 Blue Eyes and 2 Metal Raiders. Oh, actually no, 1 Metal Raider and then Invasion of Chaos. So we're gonna see if we can get anything. I'm gonna save the Blue Eyes for last because I don't know why. I just kind of like that one. Let's start off with the Invasion of Chaos. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Have a little bit more motivation today. I don't know, I had a good day. Hopefully you all had a good day also. Oh my god. Opening these is always so hard. Also, sorry if the sound quality is a little bit weird. I am doing this through my phone, so it's not going to be the best sound quality. But Invasion of Chaos. Let's see what we get. Alright. Let me see if I can get this focus. There we go. Ryu. Oh, that's actually really awesome. Wow. I want to make an old school zombie deck, and that might help. Dimension Distortion. Spirit of the Pot of Greed. Wow. I honestly am not. I've never seen this card in my life. Didn't know it existed at all. Giga. Oh wow, I cannot say that. That's a weird name. Fuma Shuriken. That's our rare. So I guess we didn't get an ultra. Chopman the Desperate Outlaw. Fiend's Hand Mirror. And Chaos Necromancer. And DNA Transplant. Kind of a dark picture right there. Alright, so that's it for Invasion of Chaos. We did get 1 rare, so I'll put him there. And let's do Metal Raiders. Now, I don't know if it's Metal Raiders that has zombies and stuff in it, because one of them has Pumpkin. And I want to get 3 Pumpkins for my zombie deck that I plan on making. So, it'd be really cool if I could get one out of one of these packs. Alright, Leo Gun. Cool, cool. Feral Imp. Yado Karu. Dragon Piper. I think I mentioned this in a older video, but I actually used to use him a lot in the Duelist of Roses game, because you could mix him with a beast, and I think you could make the Flaming Cerberus or whatever, the 3-headed dog looking thing. We got Bladefly as our rare. Not anything crazy. Uguchi. Uguchi. Disc Magician, of course. Queen's Devil, always loved her art. Bottom Dweller. Nice one to end on because he has that dark, almost fiendish looking background, but it's just a fish. Alright. So, nothing crazy so far, but I'm kind of enjoying building my collection, you know. Some people just expect to get craziness, but I don't. I just buy these packs casually, and I don't have that much money. I just work a part-time job, so we're just having fun with it. So Blue Eyes, look at that. awesome pack. If I could get a Blue Eyes, that'd be really nice. I don't think I have one, honestly. So let's see if we can get one. Silver Bow and Arrow. Terra the Terrible. Typhon. Classic. Such a classic. Another one. Oh, Skull Servant. Oh my gosh. Goblin Secret Remedy. I already have one of those. But I can't complain. Need that for the zombie deck. Sandstone. Nice defense on that one. I never liked this card. I always thought it was useless. Tripwire Beast. And that's it. The first Blue Eyes. Alright. Last pack. If you're out there, just wish me some luck. Maybe I'll get something crazy. Oh my gosh. Alright. Final pack. Umi. Always needed. I really did need that actually. I'm trying to get all the old school cards. Uraby. Oh, that is so awesome. Okay, so I got 2 field spells there. That's nice. M Warrior. Nice. Hey, Darkfire Dragon. Kind of a terrible. A lot of the older fusions are just god awful because like 1500 for Petite Dragon and Firecrest. I mean, I don't know. To me, that just seems awful. Mystical Moon. Nice. Enchanting Mermaid. Dissolving Rock. And Sparks. Classic. Just 200 points off your life points. Alright. That is it for that small little pack opening. One thing I want to mention is if you guys want to see like some of my coolest cards that I have, just let me know and I can make a video on it and just show you my favorite cards that I've collected. They're not necessarily like valuable or anything, but they're just the ones that I like the most. So that's what we got for today. Thank you guys for watching and hopefully you have a great day. Peace.